Hi, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can set up a bedtime alarm clock to help you sleep better on the Samsung Galaxy S21 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by tapping on the home button at the bottom of the screen. Next, we're going to swipe up to go into app screen, and in here, tap on clock. In clock, you can tap on the alarm tab at the bottom, and then tap on the more button. From the pop-up, tap on set bedtime. In here, it will choose a default time 10 to 7 a.m. Now you can change the time by readjusting this clock chooser bar. So we're going to choose a 10 to 7. So the sleep time will be 9 hours, or if you go to bed a little bit late, you can readjust it at the top here at 11 p.m. to 7 a.m. And then there is a reminder notifications. By default, it is set to 50 minutes. So you can choose no alerts at bedtime, 5 minutes before or 15 minutes before. And you can choose to turn on bedtime mode. Once you choose bedtime mode to switch it on, it will change the screen to grayscale and mute calls, alerts, and other sounds during your bedtime so you do not get interruptions during your sleep. At the bottom here, you can choose which days will these settings apply. By default, it is applied to every day. And here you can choose the alarm sound. You can turn it on or off. You can choose which sound to use. So we've got ringtone is neon. You can choose a different sound if you wanted to. So go down the list here and choose a sound. And you can also change the volume of the alarm sound. Next, you got the vibration, and you got the snooze. And after that, you can tap on the save button. And you can see at the top here, every day at 11 o'clock, the alarm will be raised to notify you it's bedtime. And your phone screen will automatically go to grayscale, and your phone will not accept any incoming call. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on home button to go back to your home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.